Hey everyone, welcome back. Bonk Coin, the top trending meme coin on the Solana network, just pumped 25% in the last 24 hours, and the hype is real. Let's break down why it's pumping and what's next. Trading volume for Bonk is up over 300%, with its price now between $0.000015 and $0.00017, and a market cap around $1.125 billion. This rally isn't just about Bonk. Bitcoin hit $93,000 and Ethereum finally bounced, lifting the entire altcoin and meme coin space. Bonk's rally has been building since February when the team announced a 2 billion token burn. Back then, weak market sentiment held it back, but now, with BTC and ETH recovering, whales are accumulating Bonk, and it's finally taking off. If Bonk closes above $0.00047 on the weekly chart, it could repeat past moves, like the 400% rally in February and 200% in December. Short term, we could see 20% to 30% gains, and with Ethereum strength, maybe even 50% to 100%. Not financial advice, just our research. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fast crypto updates. See you in the next one.